246.
What? Is that chicken eating chicken?
Come on. My man, how are you? Good morning. Can I get a black Americano?
Sure.
12 ounce? My man, this is the best coffee in the Philippines right here. All right, nice. There's that for you.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. We'll see you later on for some bubble tea, maybe?
Maybe.
He's got the best bubble tea in town, too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Actually, JB O'Neill's birthday today, too. So the man, the myth, the legend, leading the whole squad of people. It's his birthday. Happy birthday,
What's up,
buddy.
dog?
Happy
19
birthday.
years, baby.
19 years young still. Going to the waterfalls.
My man!
What's up, brother? Let's go to the waterfalls, baby. Let's go to the waterfalls. My man, let's go to the waterfalls. No? Oh.
Birthday. Oh, thanks, bro.
All right, let's go, y'all. Yo!
Sunset, it's a Friday night. You smoke a cigarette and put on a leather jacket. Walk fast, like you're the king of the world, like you could get any girl.
Right
Baby,
here,
maybe you can.
Easy.
Oh, yeah. One hand?
Come on. Well, we made it to the waterfall, but I think it's raining on this mountain. It wasn't raining at all at CWC, but that's what it looks like here. Well, I guess we're just gonna go in, baby. Here we go. Okay, made it to the waterfall. Good driving, bud. Good driving.
So I just start here.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, we went up just to put the bike. What? Hey, look, it's your brother. Yeah. 6, yes. Bueno, it's some baby chicken.
What are you doing? Cleaning the meat?
Yep.
Is that chicken?
No, it's a duck.
Oh, duck? Yeah. Looks good.
What? Is that chicken eating chicken? It's in my eyeball.
We call it limatok.
Limato?
Yes.
Is there here?
Yes.
Sexy leech.
They have it here?
Yes. So be careful.
I brought.
I don't want leech.
You want to eat it? No, I don't want it.
Okay, let's go to the falls. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, getting close. Marching away. Okay, we made it down all the stairs. Actually, really well made stairs, handrails. This one's like more of the touristy spot. You have to pay 50 pesos to get in. But in comparison to the one the local BJ showed us to, this one's substantially bigger. And you also obviously get a guide. We didn't even ask for him, but he came with some safety gear.
Yeah.
Just in case any of us foreigners end up drowning or something. Let me get an up close shot. So how tall is this waterfall?
14.
14 meters? Oh wow.
11 falls. Up in Naga
In here there's 11 falls?
Other falls, GB falls, and Eden falls. Other almost 7 falls. And another side, 7 falls.
Really?
Unabontolang falls.
And that one's where? It's up there?
Yeah. 20 minutes from gate. Walk.
You just keep hiking up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
20 minutes from gate going to the Nabontolang falls.
Whoa! Are you getting in? JB's trying to find an alternative route. Pretty sure he wants to go behind the waterfall, which obviously I'm going to take y'all in there in a minute.
Yeah! You gonna do it or what? You won't? I think he's debating on whether or not he can climb that tree. But I don't know. He seems pretty winded. Oh, he got through it.
Okay, so obviously I've got to go get in with JB and everybody, so I left Annie. Oh God, I just almost ate it already. With the other camera, and we're gonna go dive in, try to meet JB over there right now. So let's go. Oh, one on, one on. Come on, coming, bro.
Michael's tempting. The GoPro.
We're slowly making it. Pretty tiring, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep moving though, here we go. Here we go! We're under it! I wouldn't risk it, I didn't think about that. Oh my God! Oh, you're good! Man, bro, how many steps are
446.
246?
And now it's 71.
And we're at 71 heading back up. Thanks for the trip, bro. Super beautiful.
Right on 69.
I like your hat, bro. That's a smart idea.
One like.
Yeah, let's see it. Actually,
I remember the